You've heard about the stock market, real estate investing, and DeFi apps like Donut. But there are some less common investment platforms that you might not have ever considered. Welcome to Business for Chummies. In this video, we take a look at 5 irregular investment platforms that can produce passive income wealth. Number 5, agricultural investment. Harvest Returns is an agricultural crowdfunding platform that opens the door to investments in farming and timberland. With as little as $5,000, you can invest in row crops, tree crops, timber, livestock, indoor agriculture, and even ag tech. According to Harvest Returns, some of these investments have huge return potential. Take a look at this ag tech investment projected at a 5 times profit after 5 years. That's a $50,000 return on a $10,000 investment. Number 4, invest in fine art. Did you know you could be a partial owner of a famous piece of art by Picasso or Banksy? Masterworks is a crowdfunding platform that allows you to purchase shares of high-valued art. Masterworks purchases the art with crowdfunding and then holds onto the art for several years to hopefully sell for a profit. According to Masterworks, investors earn an average 14% annual return on their investment, and some pieces have sold for 2,000 times their original investment price. Number 3, personal loans. Loan small amounts of money to people and earn up to 15% return on your investment in 15 days. With apps like Solo Funds, this high risk, high reward is a great way to put your money to work. Because the repayment cycle is so short, you can lend the same $500 every 2 weeks. If you did that at just a 5% return for an entire year, that $500 would more than double and generate an additional $650 in income. Number 2, fine wine and rare spirits. With sites like Vint, CaskX, and Vinovest, you can own securities of rare wine and spirit collections and make a profit when they sell in the marketplace. Markup on alcoholic products is extremely high, sometimes resulting in a 5 to 10 times profit margin. Number 1, startup investing. One of the best ways to invest is to support a company that's passionate for the same things you are. Startup investing is high risk, but it can also be extremely lucrative. Imagine if you invested in Amazon or Tesla when they first got started. On sites like Start Engine, you can invest in small companies just getting started by purchasing shares of the company's stock before they go public. Many stocks are less than $5 each. This is long-term investing, but if your company gets big, those stocks could easily multiply 10 to 50 times their original value. There are endless ways to invest your money. I hope this list has highlighted just how creative financial investing can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for more great videos every week.